Enhance your winter retreat with chic and cozy fireplace decor ideas for festive gatherings. Introduction: the heart of winter gatherings. Welcome to the Decor YouTube channel. As winter descends, our homes transform into sanctuaries of warmth and comfort. At the center of this inviting atmosphere often lies the fireplace, a timeless feature that not only provides warmth but also serves as a gathering place for friends and family. In this video, we will explore chic and cozy fireplace decor ideas that can elevate your winter retreat, making it the perfect backdrop for festive gatherings. From stylish accents to thoughtful arrangements, each element will help create a cozy haven that reflects the spirit of the season. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments as we embark on this journey to enhance your winter space. Understanding your fireplace style. Before diving into decor ideas, it's essential to understand your fireplace style. Is it a classic wood-burning fireplace, a modern gas unit, or perhaps an electric fireplace? Each type has its own character and should influence your decor choices. Traditional fireplaces can be adorned with vintage mantels and rustic accessories, while modern styles might benefit from sleek, minimalist decor. Identifying your fireplace's unique attributes allows you to select decor that complements and enhances its features. This foundational step sets the stage for a harmonious design that flows throughout your space, ensuring your winter retreat is not only beautiful but also cohesive. creating a festive mantle display. The mantle above your fireplace offers a prime canvas for showcasing seasonal decor. This year, consider a layered approach by mixing heights and textures. Start with a lush garland as your base, incorporating pine cones, berries, and twinkling lights for added charm. Layer in decorative elements like candles of varying sizes, seasonal figurines, or framed photos that evoke holiday memories. Consider using a color palette that reflects the winter season. Think rich greens, deep reds, and soft whites. A well-curated mantle display not only draws the eye but also sets a festive tone for your gatherings, inviting guests to linger and admire. Incorporating cozy textiles. No winter retreat is complete without the addition of cozy textiles. Drape a soft, warm throw over the back of a nearby chair or across the sofa to encourage snuggling during chilly evenings. Layering different fabrics, such as knits and faux furs, adds visual interest and tactile comfort. Don't forget to use cushions with seasonal patterns or textures that echo the colors of your decor. These simple additions create a welcoming environment that invites relaxation and conversation, making your winter gatherings all the more enjoyable. Enhancing ambience with lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy atmosphere around your fireplace. Consider using a combination of soft, warm lighting sources to enhance the inviting vibe. String lights or fairy lights can be elegantly woven into your mantle garland, while strategically placed candles can provide a flickering glow. If you have additional lamps or sconces, opt for warm-toned bulbs to maintain that cozy feel. The right lighting can elevate your fireplace area from simply functional to warmly enchanting, encouraging guests to gather and share stories by the fire. Seasonal decor transformations. As the winter season progresses, don't hesitate to switch up your fireplace decor to reflect the changing festivities. Start with a winter wonderland theme featuring snowflakes and icicles, then transition to a more festive look as the holidays approach, incorporating ornaments and twinkling lights. Finally, embrace the new year with fresh greenery or a simple winter theme that can last until spring. By rotating your decor, you keep the space feeling fresh and engaging, creating anticipation for each gathering. Arranging comfortable seating. Creating a cozy and inviting seating arrangement around your fireplace is key to enhancing your winter retreat. Consider a U-shaped arrangement with comfortable chairs and a plush sofa, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the warmth of the fire. Add side tables for easy access to snacks and drinks, and ensure that seating is appropriately cushioned for long conversations. Positioning seating to encourage interaction fosters a sense of community and connection, making your gatherings feel even more special. Personalizing your decor. Adding personal touches to your fireplace decor can make your winter retreat feel uniquely yours. Incorporate family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, or handmade ornaments that reflect your family's history and personality. These items not only add character but also serve as great conversation starters during gatherings. By infusing your decor with personal elements, you create a space that tells your story, inviting guests to connect with you on a deeper level. creating lasting memories. The ultimate goal of enhancing your fireplace decor is to create a setting where lasting memories are made. Encourage your loved ones to share stories, play games, and enjoy warm beverages by the fire. Capture these moments with photographs or a holiday journal where everyone can jot down their favorite memories. By prioritizing connection and joy in your winter retreat, you ensure that each gathering is cherished, leaving a lasting impression on everyone involved. Conclusion: your cozy winter retreat awaits. In conclusion, the key to enhancing your winter retreat lies in the thoughtful decor and arrangement around your fireplace. By understanding your fireplace style, curating festive mantle displays, incorporating cozy textiles, and personalizing your space, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere for all your holiday gatherings. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your own fireplace decor ideas in the comments below. Together, let's make this winter one filled with comfort, joy, and beautiful memories.